Our industrial robot is designed for versatility, supporting different welding heads to handle various angle welding tasks with precision. It can also be customized with a welding workstation to meet specific production needs, ensuring efficiency and flexibility. It supports multiple languages, including English, Japanese, Thai, Korean, and more. Its maximum arm reach extends up to 1,803 millimeters. And you can also stretch the welding wire directly. It supports 6 different welding patterns, including circles, triangles, and more, making it ideal for various welding shapes. In addition, you can easily adjust the pattern directly on the welding gun for greater flexibility and precision. It features a CCD camera for easy welding height verification. This welding machine is perfect for flat, 3D, curved surfaces, and workpieces with small angles. It ensures precise and efficient welding for various applications. The circular welding function allows one-time molding, providing better sealing performance for airtight results. With intelligent automation, it delivers perfect welds with minimal human intervention. It enhances quality control, reduces errors, and ensures repeatability, making it a reliable solution for industrial welding tasks.